Hello everyone. First of all, welcome all of you in today's video. In this video, we are going to take another topic from parts of speech, that is adverb. So let's start. So by this video, we are trying to comprehend the topics like what is adverb, definition of adverb, and what are the kinds of adverb. So let's start. So as we all know that adverb is a word that describes a verb, adjective or another adverb. हिंदी में adverb को हम क्रिया विशेषण के नाम से जानते हैं. So let's see in detail. So it is important to know what is adverb. An adverb modifies a verb, an adjective or another adverb. Generally adverbs are formed by adding ly at the end of the word or adjective. For example, loudly, calmly, sweetly, etc. But there are many others which exist without ly, that are now, here, often, again, etc. So let's see some examples of adverb. Let's take the first example. Seema speaks clearly. In this sentence, Seema is subject and speaks is verb and clearly is an adverb. Here in this sentence, word clearly shows how Seema speaks. So here clearly word modifies the verb speaks. Same in the sentence number 2, that is Meera lives happily. In this sentence, Meera is subject and lives is verb and happily is an adverb, because here the word happily shows that how Meera lives. So here also the word happily modifies the verb and verb is lives. See the third sentence. Vaibhav ran very fast. In this sentence, subject is Vaibhav, run is a verb, fast is an adverb, and very is also an adverb. So, in this sentence, there are two adverbs, and it is here focusing on how fast Vaibhav runs. So, here an adverb modifies another adverb. Let's see the fourth sentence. She is very beautiful. In this sentence, the word very is an adverb and it modifies an adjective. An adjective is beautiful. In the last sentence, I go to Delhi very often. In this sentence, an adverb very modifies another adverb, that is often. So it answers the question how often. So these are some examples of adverbs. So let's see what are the kinds of adverbs. These are adverb of time, adverb of place, adverb of manner, adverb of frequency, adverb of reason, and last adverb of degree. So let's see one by one. First kind of adverb is adverb of time. So what is it? As it is reflected by its name only, that adverb of time points out the time of action, or in simple words we can say that it tells us about at which time the action occurs. It answers the questions when. For example, now, today, since, every day, daily, etc. For example, he came yesterday. In this sentence, yesterday is an adverb of time because it tells us about the time of action. Second sentence, Meera goes for a walk every day. In this sentence, every day is an adverb of time because it tells us that Meera goes for a walk every day. मतलब it tells us about the time. Next kind of adverb is adverb of place. What is it? It also shows its function by its name, that it shows where, means where the action is performed. So we can say that adverb of place indicates where the action is performed. We use it after the verb, object or end of the sentence. For example, see the first one. My brother is not here. In this sentence, here is an adverb of place because it shows the place of action. Same in the sentence 2, he searched her everywhere. Here in this sentence also, everywhere shows the place of action. So it is an adverb. In third sentence, don't go there. In this sentence, there is an adverb of place because it shows the place of action. Fourth sentence, Seema sat down. In this sentence also, down is an adverb because it shows the place of action. And these are some other adverbs of places like under, over, in, on, next to, behind, in front of, etc. So we can say that adverb of place indicates where the action is performed. Adverb of manner is another kind of adverb. It tells us about the manner of action. It answers the question how, or we can say in what manner. So let's see the examples. Aryan laughed loudly. In this sentence, loudly is an adverb because it answers the question how Aryan laughed. Aryan laughed loudly. So in this sentence, loudly is an adverb. Next sentence, Sheetal reads clearly. In this sentence, clearly is an adverb because it describes how Sheetal reads or in what manner Sheetal reads. So here clearly is an adverb. Last sentence, he fought bravely. In this sentence, bravely is an adverb. Ly also shows that bravely is an adverb and it answers the question how he fought, in what manner he fought. So it shows that bravely is an adverb. So in this way we can say that an adverb of manner tells us how an action is done. Next kind of adverb is adverb of frequency. Adverb of frequency is it shows how often an action is performed. It tells us about the frequency of action. It shows how often means it shows how often the action is performed. These are always, usually, often, generally, sometimes, rarely, seldom, hardly, ever, never, etc. Try to understand by these examples. First example is she always works hard. In this sentence, always shows the frequency means she always works hard. So it is here an adverb. Next sentence is I never smoke. In this sentence, never is an adverb of frequency because it shows the frequency of action. Action is smoking. Third sentence, he often goes to see movies. It means he usually goes to see movies. So here the word often describes the adverb of frequency. Fourth sentence, here in the sentence, he goes there twice in a day. Here in the sentence, twice shows the frequency of action, that how often he goes there in a day. So here twice is an adverb of frequency. Next kind of adverb is adverb of reason, as it also shows its function by its name, that adverb of reason shows the reason for an action expressed in the sentence. Some adverb of reasons are thus, hence, therefore, because, etc. For example, see the first example, that is he was upset because he was late. So in this sentence, the reason for being late is he was upset. So here because is an adverb of reason. Next sentence, he therefore left the job. In this sentence, therefore is an adverb of reason. Third sentence, it was raining heavily, therefore we stayed in the house. Means in this sentence, therefore shows that a reason. So here therefore is an adverb of reason. Next kind of adverb is adverb of degree. What is it? Adverb of degree or quality show the degree or extent of the quality. It shows the degree or extent of the quality, or it answers the question how much or to what extent. These are the words like crazy, too, extremely, very, so, pretty, a little. These are all the words that show adverb of degree. For example, see the first example, you are quite wrong. In this sentence, the word quite is an adverb of degree and it shows how much you are wrong. So here the word quite is an adverb of degree. Second sentence, she speaks very carefully. In this sentence, very is an adverb of degree. So this word shows how carefully she speaks, how much carefully she speaks. Third sentence, he is fairly clever. So this sentence, in this sentence, fairly is an adverb of degree. It shows how clever he is. And the fourth and last sentence, I am too tired to go out tonight. In this sentence, too is an adverb of degree. It shows how much he was tired that he cannot go out tonight. So, it shows the extent of degree. So, here too is an adverb of degree. By this picture, we can easily revise that we discussed above, that these are the pictures of adverbs. So adverb of time answers the question when, and adverb of reason answers the question why. Adverb of frequency answers the question how often. Adverb of place answers the question where. Adverb of manner answers the question how or in what manner, as we discussed above. And adverb of degree or quantity express how much or to what extent. So I hope now you are able to understand what is an adverb and what are the kinds of adverb and what are the functions of these adverbs. So thank you.